And the Sand Guardian, Guardian of the Sand.
Poseidon quivers before him!
Fuck off!
Why are you making me sing? I hate singing. When do I even come in? I don't know.
Stop! I could have dropped my croissant!
I just wanted to use the restroom, but now I'm so confused.
Am I a womp? Am I a womp?
Got diagnosed with cool guy syndrome yesterday. So now I take Adderall.
Hey, I'm lesbian.
I thought you were American.
And they were roommates.
Oh my god, they were roommates.
The good news is you're not sick. And the bad news? Well, you'll be reliving this 6-second moment for the rest of your life.
Oh god, no!
Really can't stay, baby, it's cold outside. I've got to go away, baby, it's cold.
That is not correct. Because according to the encyclopedia of...
2 shots of vodka. Then 1...
No, don't! Huh? Okay.
Dear Diary, today just went from good to great.
Ooh, the ice is slippery.
ISIS.
Yeah, the ice is slippery.
ISIS.
No, the ice is...
Welcome to Bible study! We're all children of Jesus! Kumbaya, my Lord!
Hi, welcome to Chili's.
Adam!
There's just something about hitting that whip that just, you know, like, oh, watch this. Boom. It just keeps me going.
Don't be afraid to be exactly who you are. Even if it means being a little different. Even if it means being a football. Or an iPad.
Emergency.
Somebody at our prom has been killed. Please help.
Well, calm down. We don't want to panic at the disco.
Stop saying I look like Chicken Little. He's dumb and he's a coward. And I'm not a coward.
What are you doing this summer? Oh, I'm actually going to Madagascar. Oh, I'm going to Madagascar. I don't think.
Jared, could you read number 23 for the class? No, I cannot.
What up? I'm Jared, I'm 19, and I never fucking learned how to read.
So how was the pasta?
Oh, it was great. Send my compliments to the chef.
Alright.
Hey, chef!
Yeah.
You have beautiful eyes.
You are my dad. You're my dad. Woogie, woogie, woogie.
Hey everybody, today my brother pushed me, so I'm starting a Kickstarter to put him down. The benefits of killing him would be I would get pushed way less.
You can't sit with us. Actually, Megan, I can't sit anywhere. I have hemorrhoids.
Objection, Your Honor! What is it?
Overruled.
This one's to end racism.
Don't tell your mother. Kiss one another. Die for each other.
Hello, I'm a piece of garbage. Oh, hi, thanks for checking in. I'm still a piece of garbage.
Let me hop out the Porsche, I wanna hit that.
Shut the up.
Today I will be playing Mozart's Symphony No. 40 in G minor. Oh my god.
Are there good cops? Let me show you something. He's right in here. Let's let him sleep.
Saw you hanging out with Caitlin yesterday.
Rebecca, it's not what you think.
I won't hesitate, bitch.
I don't understand anything.
Happy Christmas. It's Christmas. Merry Crisis. Merry Chrysler.
We will now play the deceased's favorite song.
It is Wednesday, my dudes.
they helium balloons? Yeah, I told you, the car's not here for helium balloons. It's too late. Oh, we're flying away.
I do that.
What's your name?
What the
Get to Del Taco. They got a new thing called free shavacadoo. Free shavacadoo.
That awkward moment when you're scrolling through someone's old Instagram photos and you accidentally comment the entire Declaration of Independence. Shit.
You'll never save Prince Horus. I, King Dragon, will strike you down. Dennis.
That's me. Who do you think the hottest girl in school is? The Epcot ball?
Well, I like Melanie, and not just because she's pretty. I think she's really funny and awesome.
Road work ahead? Yeah, I sure hope it does.
Hey babe, happy 1 year. I'm 27. I want to see my little boy.
Here he comes.
I want to see my little boy.
Well, if it isn't Captain America. But it is me. No, it's an expression. Your Nazi tricks won't work on me.
There's only one race. The human race. What about NASCAR? Why do we need labels? Gay, straight, we're all humans.
Are you eating mayonnaise?
It's just food. Why do we need labels?
Stop.
Like, I'm not a racist, but no, you are. You are a racist butt.
Chris! Is that a weed?
No, this is a crayon.
I'm calling the police!
911, what's your
Bros chilling in the hot tub, 5 feet apart cause they're not gay.
I'm born in the wrong generation. I wish I was around in the 1300s where there's no clean water or electricity and everyone died from the plague. So no head?
Dress on tonight, dancing in the dark in the pale moonlight.
I got new goggles, my dudes.
I'm an LGBT ally and this is a safe space.
So what are your
Diary. Today I couldn't find my diary, so I'm writing this on both of my Kung Fu Panda 2 DVDs.
Here it is, the Tumblr logo. What do you think? You think this is a goddamn joke?
Hurry up, we're gonna be late for school. Bruh, chill. I don't know why you're in a big time rush.
This for the A. Shawty, I don't.